Hello everyone and welcome to Hypertune. Today we're going to be talking about the Works Engineering drop-in air filter. Works Engineering have been in the aftermarket game for a long time and they've been hugely successful in Malaysia and even internationally. So these guys know what they're talking about. So let's check out what their drop-in air filter is all about. Alright, there you go. Okay, this particular model is for the Ford Ranger T6, hence why the size is this big. It is finished in the signature Works Engineering blue, which itself speaks the performance, if you know what I'm talking about. Alright, at the first touch, it already feels pretty sturdy, and despite being made of woven material rather than a paper mesh material like regular air filters, it actually feels pretty light. Right, so we're installing the Works Engineering air filter on a Ford Ranger T6 today. So first thing to remember is to unclip the map sensor. Just undo the latch over here, pull it out, easy. Then there's 3 clips holding it down, 1, 2 and 3. And you pull the whole thing out and there you have it, the stock air filter. As you can see, it's already dirty after its lifespan. So now we're going to switch it out for the Works one. The installation is fairly easy. Just put it in the slot, clamp it back down, do back the 3 clips, and again, importantly, don't forget to clip back your sensor. And there you have it. Alright, since we've already fitted the new Works Engineering drop-in air filter, we're going to take it out for a drive and feel what it's like. So on first impression, I'm not sure if it's down to the cleaner air filter or not, because the previous one was pretty dirty, but the car definitely feels lighter, and as an added bonus, there's definitely more induction noise. Let's see if you guys can hear it. So there you have it guys, that's the difference between a regular paper mesh air filter and a wired mesh drop-in air filter. Thank you for watching.